सफीर पाकिस्तान, आपके जज्बों का तर्जुमान। वतन से दूर, वतन की आवाज और आपकी पहचान। सफीर पाकिस्तान।
Pakistan will need our help to rebuild.
Between Pakistan and the United States, this is the time to act and to act jointly.
An international television program that has highlighted the achievements of Pakistani Americans.
You're doing fantastic and amazing work that exemplifies the true Pakistani spirit.
Thank you, Safiri Pakistan, for the amazing work that you do.
The media plays a central role.
He performs incredible duties to the community of Pakistanis in America.
We are committed to continuing this engagement and support as both of our nations work together to build peace and prosperity.
समाजी, सहाफती, इस्लामी,
Safiri Pakistan has helped unite the Pakistani and South Asian American communities.
Safiri Pakistan has done a tremendous work.
I'd like to thank Waqar Ali Khan and Safiri Pakistan.
Safiri Pakistan, all the best.
हर जगह, हर पल, आपका अपना सफीर पाकिस्तान नजर आता है। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। नाज़रीन, आपका मेज़बान वक़ार अली ख़ान प्रोग्राम सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान के साथ हाजिर खिदमत है कि ये कैसे मिजाज हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप प्रोग्राम पाबंदी से देख रहे होंगे, और हाँ, देखते रहिए, क्योंकि ये आपका अपना प्रोग्राम है, आपकी अपनी पहचान है, आपकी अपनी आवाज़ है और आपके जज्बात और एहसासात का तर्जुमान भी है। नाज़रीन, प्रोग्राम में काफ़ी तब्दीलियाँ आ रही हैं और काफ़ी चीज़ें शामिल होने वाली हैं। बहुत जल्द आप धमाका खेज़ चीज़ें देखेंगे सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान में। एक बिल्कुल नए अंदाज़ में, एक नए तरीके से बहुत सी चीज़ें शामिल हो रही हैं, बहुत सी पर्सनालिटी, वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड पर्सनालिटी शामिल हो रही हैं सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान में। नाज़रीन, जैसा आप जानते हैं कि पिछले हफ्ते हमारी बहुत ही खूबसूरत और वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इवेंट हुई न्यू जर्सी में, और डेफिनेटली राइट अल्बर्ट पैलेस हॉल में ये तकरीब हुई थी सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान की 9वीं अवार्ड नाइट। ये लगातार हमारी अवार्ड नाइट चल रही हैं और डैलस में भी बड़ी कामयाब तरीन अवार्ड नाइट हुई। उससे पहले लॉस एंजलिस में अवार्ड नाइट हुई थी और अब ये हम बाहर लेके जा चुके हैं। ये हमारी दूसरी बड़ी अवार्ड नाइट थी जिसने तमाम साबिका रिकॉर्ड तोड़े हैं न्यूयॉर्क में प्रोग्राम और न्यू जर्सी में कराने के। इतना बड़ा मजमा, इतने बड़े लोग, इतने टैलेंटेड लोग जमा हुए दूर दराज से, और मैं मशहूर हूँ अपनी टीम का और उन लोगों का जिन्होंने मेरे साथ ताउन किया और प्रोग्राम को कामयाब करने में अहम और कलीदी किरदार अदा किया है। ख़ुसूसन वहाँ के जो मीडिया है उसने भी हमारा बड़ा साथ दिया। मैं बड़ा मशहूर ममनून हूँ उन लोगों का जिन्होंने बेहतरीन कवरेज की और इसको नुमाया तरीके से सुर्खियों में छापा अपने अखबारों में। और डेफिनेटली हम आए थे बड़ी दूर से उम्मीदें लेके, और उम्मीदें हमारी जो है वो कामयाब हुई। और इसमें डेफिनेटली न्यूयॉर्क की आवाम, ट्राई स्टेट की आवाम और न्यू जर्सी की आवाम का भी बड़ा अमल दखल है कि वो आए और हमें मोहब्बत दी और हमारे प्रोग्राम को इज़्ज़त दी। और डेफिनेटली प्रोग्राम लगातार चला और मैं समझता हूँ कि मैं भी बहुत खुश हूँ, क्योंकि पहले मुझे उम्मीद थी, क्योंकि हालात ऐसे थे वहाँ पे, बारिशें, थंडर्स, मुख्तलिफ इवेंट्स, लेकिन बावजूद तमाम आर्ट्स थिंक सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान की अवार्ड नाइट ने एक नया रिकॉर्ड कायम किया। और इंशाअल्लाह ताला बहुत जल्द ऐसे प्रोग्राम न्यूयॉर्क स्टेट में होते रहेंगे सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान के ताउन से। सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान में जो भी आप चाहते हैं, आपकी जो राय है, आपकी जो मशवरे हैं, हम उसको खुशामदीद कहते हैं। हमें कॉल कीजिए और बहुत जल्द न्यूयॉर्क के ही लोग हमारे प्रोग्राम में शामिल हो रहे हैं और बहुत कुछ आपके लिए लेके आ रहे हैं। पर ज़रा इंतज़ार कीजिए, इंतज़ार की घड़ियाँ बहुत जल्द ख़त्म होंगी और आप एक नए अंदाज से नई चीज़ें सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान में देखेंगे। नाज़रीन, तो आइए आपके लिए चलते हैं अवार्ड नाइट में। जब जानते हैं कि सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान की मुख्तलिफ अवार्ड नाइट्स हुई हैं। सैन फ्रांसिस्को में की हमने, मुख्तलिफ स्टेट में गए हैं हम, डैलस में गए और न्यूयॉर्क, न्यू जर्सी में हमने ये प्रोग्राम किया। और डेफिनेटली बहुत सारी अवार्ड नाइट होम ग्राउंड यानी कि लॉस एंजल्स में हुई। लॉस एंजल्स हमारा बेस है, यहाँ हमारा स्टूडियो है, हमारा स्टाफ है, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान हर शहर में जाता है, हर स्टेट में जाता है। और हाँ, इस बार तो मीरा जी भी आई और उन्होंने अपनी तकरीर भी की। और डेफिनेटली मीरा एक नए अंदाज से, एक नए तरीके से सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान में हाजिर होती रहेंगी और कुछ प्रोग्राम भी पेश करेंगी। नाज़रीन, आइए आपको लिए चलते हैं आज की इस अवार्ड नाइट में। आप देखेंगे कुछ पुरानी झलकियाँ हैं अवार्ड नाइट की कि हमने अवार्ड नाइट की कैसे हैं और इसका हम आगाज़ कैसे करते हैं। तो आइए हम सब मिलकर देखते हैं सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान की नवी अवार्ड नाइट। मुलाज़ा फरमाइए।
We'd like to begin our first award recipient Our Men of the Year, Dr. Sohail Masood. I request Mr. Waqar Ali Khan and Counsel General of Pakistan from New York to please come forward and present him his award. Dr. Sohail Masood is a graduate of the University of Southern California. He completed his residency in Brooklyn. He's the original founder and former owner of Crescent Healthcare Home Infusion. Our next recipient is Dr. Atiya Khan, Woman of the Year. Please join me in giving her a big round of applause, Dr. Atiya Khan. She's done a lot of work for HDF. She's very devoted, spends a lot of money on this organization going to Pakistan. Please give her a big round of applause. Dr. Atiya Khan as the Woman of the Year of Safir-e-Pakistan.
I'm very humbled and honored by all of you to receive this award. But at the same time, I want to say this is because of the love of Pakistan we all have. I do a little work because Fawaz Sahab had told me that शिकवे ज़ुल्मत शब से तो कहीं बेहतर था अपने हिस्से की कोई शम्मा जलाते जाते. That's all I'm trying. Thank you so much.
Our next recipient is Ms. Dr. Nasser Qureshi for Lifetime Achievement, and he truly deserves this award. He's a very quiet guy. He does a lot of things quietly, doesn't make a lot of noise, but we all know how much he does. A lot of you know him from Apna. We have a lot of people.
To the award committee of Jio Pakistan and Safir-e-Pakistan for choosing me to honor me with this award. It's an extremely humbling moment for me.
The next recipient of our award tonight is Dr. Humaira Qamar. You know, it gives me a great pleasure when girls are getting awards. So please give a big round, all the ladies out here. I forgot to mention it during Atiya's time, but please give Dr. Humaira Qamar a big round of applause for as healthcare visionary of Safir-e-Pakistan. Dr. Humaira Qamar completed her bachelor's in medicine in Lahore, Pakistan, did her master's in public health from Yale University. She's presently working as a consultant pediatrician at the Children's Medical Group and medical director of medical foster care in Ocala, Florida. Please give her a big round of applause, Dr. Humaira Qamar, as healthcare visionary.
The award that was given to me is Healthcare Visionary. So I would like to, just in a few words, explain my vision as a for the healthcare. As you know, we are all Pakistani Americans. Our country of origin is Pakistan. So it's wonderful to see so many Pakistani people here tonight being honored. And Safir-e-Pakistan has done a great job in getting people together and giving recognition to each other. My vision is, I'm a pediatrician by profession, and I'm a humanitarian by nature. Like Mr. Javed earlier said, regardless of our creed, culture, color, and language and ethnic background, it is our moral responsibility to provide health care to all people in this country. And my vision is that both me and my husband Asad would like to open free clinics providing absolutely free medical care to people of our community where we are, where we belong, and where we have so much honor and recognition has been given to us in this country that we want to give back.
Our next recipient is Dr. Sana Khan. He came all the way from California to come and accept his award. So please join me in recognizing Dr. Sana Khan. He is the brainchild behind a lot of medical companies in MRI facility. He is the CEO of AIM Radiology, Vital Imaging.
I just wanted to thank you and appreciate the award. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept what little we do, particularly in medicine. It's one of the things I say that, we do well by doing good. And inshallah, may you keep prospering in what you do. And particularly, I was very impressed by hearing the doctor a little earlier mention of the free clinic and the work that she's doing.
Our next recipient is Dr. Mohammad Zubair as the Physician of the Year. And I'd like to invite Dr. Asif Rahman, the next president of APNA, to please come forward and present him with his award. For Dr. Mohammad Zubair, Asif Rahman can come forward and present him his award.
I'd like to accept this reward on behalf of all Upper NJ volunteers, past president members, especially our Upper NJ Free Clinic They are volunteer, and all the physician who is volunteering every Sunday morning, making me the great physician, is them who really helped me to get where I am. Thank you again, Apna and Jay, Sunday clinic volunteer, and especially my wife, Sarah, and our friend Sarah, who is volunteering every Sunday morning, 9 o'clock.
Our next recipient is Mr. Salim Iqbal, CEO of Heb Bank, which was formerly known as Habib American Bank. I'm still trying to get that Heb Bank, but we'll get used to it. We bank there too, it's a great bank. And I invite Dr. Asad Kamar to please come forward and present him with his award. For Mr. Salim Iqbal and Heb Bank as the Bank of the Year. It's a great bank, try it out. They have great services. Please give a big round of applause for Salim Iqbal and Heb Bank.
Congratulations on this wonderful job and all the great work that you do.
The next recipient is Mr. Iftikhar Malik as the Businessman of the Year from Pennsylvania. And I'd like to request a great friend, Sandy Terrell, to come forward and present him with his award for Mr. Iftikhar Malik as Businessman of the Year for Safira Pakistan 9.
Mr. Waqar Khan and Safira Pakistan, I am honored, I'm humble. Thank you again. Anything is possible if you work hard, and there are opportunities.
The next recipient is Dr. Baba Rao for his professional achievement. And he's truly an achiever in this award category. He's a dermatologist from New York.
I devote all of this to United States of America, which gave me a chance to get to where I am, and Gaur Rawalpindi Medical College.
Waqar Bhai for arranging such a wonderful program and the team of New Jersey. My next guest is to Dr. Shahid Rashid. Dr. Shahid Rashid received his education and training at Dowd Medical College, Johns Hopkins University, and University of Texas Medical School at Houston.
I thank Mr. Waqar Ali Khan and the Safir Pakistan for this Pride of Performance Award, and I congratulate him for organizing such a beautiful evening. I believe in order for us to flourish and grow in this country, we need to become the significant part of the society by contributing through the avenues of building the charitable teaching hospitals in order to train our doctors and to serve this community at large.
And I would like to invite Suleiman Malik. Suleiman Malik, please come to the stage and give this award to our recipient, Mr. Shahid Rafiq. Shahid Rafiq MD is triple board certified in neurology, vascular neurology, stroke and sleep medicine. He received his training in neurology from Seton Hall University, New Jersey, Neuroscience Institute in Edison, New Jersey.
I'll dedicate this award to two women in my life. My mother is here and my wife, who have taken care of me all my life. Without my wife, Fiza is here, this would not have been possible. And my daughter, Dalika, and son, Basil, and my parents. Thank you very much, and go Rawalpindi Medical College.
And my next award recipient is a third Shahid, Mr. Shahid Hashmi. He is Entrepreneur of the Year award he is getting. Mr. Shahid Hashmi, he has over 38 years corporation in the US where he headed sales team negotiating multi-billion-dollar contracts.
I thank Safira Pakistan team for giving me this award. I have a passion for education, helping poor and needy students in Pakistan. We have an association which this year has awarded more than 300 scholarships in Pakistan. We living in this, the most affluent country in the world, and we are among the most affluent Pakistanis anywhere in the world. So I appeal to all of you, please help in education, because that's what we lack in Pakistan.
Now our next award goes to Mr. Nadeem Salim, Entrepreneur of the Year, Finance and Investments, New Jersey. Nadeem Nick Salim has been in financial services business since 1997 and has been committed to professionalism. He specializes his practice in the medical and physician market. Mr. Nadeem is a member of MDRT, $1 Million Roundtable.
I just want to thank you actually, Waqar, for his wonderful support, and actually for Apna New Jersey. They have helped me throughout the year a lot. And especially, of course, thank you to my family. Some of them actually came all the way from Maryland. My neighbors are here too. And my boys, my Joy, of course, Danish and Samir. I'll be in trouble if I didn't mention their name. And of course, love of my life, my wife, Shaista. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
And now our next award recipient, Mr. Humayun J. Chaudhary. This is the Dr. Humayun J. Chaudhary who gets Pride of Performance Award. Commissioner of Health Services for Suffolk County, New York, overseeing the 9th largest health department in the United States. He is board certified in internal medicine and is a clinical associate professor of internal medicine at the University of Texas Southwestern Medical School and clinical associate professor of preventive medicine at Stony Brook University School of Medicine in New York.
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank Safira Pakistan for this important award. I'd also like to bring you greetings from the Federation of State Medical Boards. Many of the doctors in the audience know that the FSMB is a co-owner of the USMLE exam, the United States Medical Licensing Examination. I think most of you may not also know this, but Pakistan is one of the 3 top countries in the world that supplies physicians to the United States, and we welcome that. And that's an important point. Finally, I'd like to thank 2 of the most important women in my life, my wife and my mother, who are both here, as well as my 2 sons, Sean and Haris. It's actually Sean's birthday today, so happy birthday, Sean. Thank you for being here.
Now my next awardee, Mr. Tariq Butt.
Dr. Tariq Butt, please come to the stage and receive your award. Dr. Tariq Butt, Network Access. Dr. Tariq Butt has served as a Deputy Medical Officer at Access since 2007. Dr. Butt also serves as Chair of the Medical Disciplinary Board and is a physician consultant to the Bureau of Medical Integrity. Dr. Butt is a truly active and engaged member of Chicago's civic and philanthropic community.
Everybody who is here, from Pakistani American community, so many elected officials, and I wanted to give personal greetings of Senator Bob Casey, who couldn't be here, but he mentioned how much he appreciates this program and how much, this program is enhancing Pakistani American community's work. Well, I feel very fortunate to be part of two great cultures and nations. Pakistan, where I was born and where I was raised and where I was educated, and then United States, which is the largest and most powerful country, but it's not the greatest country because it's the most powerful country. It's one reason, but it's great because it does great things in the world. So thank you so much, America. So thank you so much, Pakistan, and long live Pakistan-American friendship. Thank you so much.
My next award recipient, Mr. Muhammad Bhatti. I would like to invite Mr. Muhammad Bhatti. He is getting a Pride of Performance Award. He is from Illinois. He held various jobs for the first 2 years. Just after 2 years in US, he started his own business, and he did really well. But then something goes wrong, and he lost everything. He started another business again, and now his company is a limo park worldwide. His company is a worldwide company now. A big round of applause for his success. Mr. Muhammad Bhatti.
Assalamu alaikum. I feel honored and humbled with that. I'm very grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and salute to Safir Pakistan and Waqar Ali Khan.
is a true deserving person of this award. This award for Humanitarian of the Year goes to Ms. Surya Wahid. She came all the way from Pennsylvania. Surya Wahid finished her MA from Punjab University, Lahore, completed her travel and tour diploma in US. She handles travel and tour business for 29 years before her disability. She suffered amputation of bilateral below the knee, 8-digit fingers after suffering from a chronic infection. After that infection, she realized that something significant needs to be done for humanity. So she established a charitable foundation named SKW Life for Limb Loss Charitable Foundation. The focus of the organization is to reach out to people suffering from limb loss who are underprivileged, less fortunate, and are never served, with no income, no health insurance, and provide them resource, service, and conduct research to enhance productivity and quality of life for amputees, empower them with education, skilled physical therapy, and training to walk with prosthesis, emotional support and advocacy to improve the quality of disabled travelers with amputation. Ms. Wahid carries deep passion to help these individuals and devoted her life to serve the cause. I
I'm very much thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I am alive and here. I was dead and I came out from coma after 15 days. I will express myself. I waited the dawn to disappear. I waited the moon to appear. I waited the sun to appear. And rest of the thing disappeared. When I woke up, I lost my name and everything disappeared. And I like to thank you, Safir Pakistan, putting this beautiful event this evening. And it's a great honor for me to be here with my family, my husband, who is always supporting me, and I am thankful for that. And congratulations to Waqar and Fatima Khan. They put a lot of sincere efforts to bring this beautiful event here in New Jersey.
सबसे पहले मैं आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करूँगी for making this evening such a great success. और अब कुछ हमारे पास हमारे मेहमान हैं जिनको हम और अवार्ड देना पसंद करेंगे. Mr. Mukarram Ghazi, Pride of Performance, New Jersey, using the latest advancements in robotic and laparoscopic surgery. Dr. Mukarram Ghazi provides the highest quality urological care for his patients. In practice since 2003, this exceptionally skilled, minimally invasive surgeon treats the full range of urinary tract and male reproductive disorders. Our next invitee is Dr. Umar Farooq, MD, Pride of Performance, Pennsylvania. Dr. Umar Farooq is board certified in internal medicine and a certified medical director. He is board certified in medical acupuncture and fellow of American Academy of Medical Acupuncture, disability analyst, and fellow of American Board of Disability and Analyst. He is a civil surgeon for U.S. citizenship and immigration services.
I have one message. We have to change our image in this country. The only way we can change, we have to be politically active. We have to be on the table, not on the menu. So this award go to my mom, and of course to my wife. Without her I might not be here, Dr. Sabat Farooq, and my children, Muhammad Farooq and Sarah Farooq, and my daughter, she is not here, she is a medical student, and Maryam Farooq, and of course my friend Rao Babar, Shahid Rafiq, Amir Akmal. This is a third Rawalpindi College graduates.
Our next invitee is Mr. Baza Ruhi, Pride of Performance, New York. Baza Ruhi was born and raised in Pakistan. She is the president and founder of American Council of Minority Women, ACMW. ACMW was established in July 2005 by the women of minority community of the USA for the empowerment, development, protection and promotion of human rights of women in USA, and particularly in the state of New York.
Thank you very much, Safir Pakistan, Waqar Sahab और मेरे भाई जंगील लोधी साहब. I accept it gratefully on the behalf of Pakistani women, and I dedicate my award to the Pakistani women. Thank you very much.
Now I have the honor to invite our next awardee, Mr. Afzal Gulbahar, Pride of Performance, New York. Afzal Gulbahar, he is the president and CEO of Gulbahar Contracting Company. He was born in Sialkot, Pakistan by a middle-class family. He always has a desire to advance and strive to make a better life for himself and his family. These qualities led him to leave his beloved country and move to the United States for better opportunities. As an immigrant, Mr. Abdul Gulbahar worked his way up with the different employment in construction work, where he quickly learned new skills for construction.
Thank you. Thanks for special the GeoTV, Waqar Ali Khan, Mr. Jahangir Lodi, and Mia Sahib. Thank you for again. Thank you.
accomplished individual, Ms. Nellie Vasquez Rowland. She's not Pakistani, but she's very close to Pakistani community in Chicago. Nellie is the first generation American, grew up in at-risk community called Little Village, a quaint but densely populated Latino community commonly known for high rates of crime due to drugs, gangs, and for serving as the home of largest country prison in county known as Cook County Prison. She was the first in her family of 7 to graduate from college. She's a former investment banker, and for 13 years she worked for some of the leading investment banking firms. It was during her tenure as investment banker, she and her husband, Brian Rowland, co-founded a Safe Haven as a way to give back. Safe Haven is a world-class, unique, vertical integrated ecosystem nonprofit. This is successfully rebuilding lives for poverty and homelessness.
Thank you for welcoming me into your community. Waqar has been an incredible friend to A Safe Haven since the day he came to A Safe Haven. He has been extremely supportive. What he sees happening at A Safe Haven, and what I get to see every day, what Sandy gets to see, what Dr. Bud gets to see, Muhammad, Dr. Suhail, so many of you that have been out to A Safe Haven is very similar to what many of you have gone through as immigrants coming to America with very little in your pocket. We work with people that are in crisis, that are homeless for very many reasons, domestic violence, prison, drug and alcohol addiction, medical crises. There's many, many reasons where people end up homeless. And many of you know people that are homeless that shouldn't be, that are very, very smart and have a lot of potential. And I know that each and every one of you that are successful today are successful because someone believed in you and gave you an opportunity. And that's what we do at A Safe Haven, is basically help people understand why people are in crisis, connect the dots to get them back on their feet, and let them all have the opportunity to pursue their God-given potential too. So thank you for your support, thank you for the recognition. It's an extreme honor. Thank you.
She made her first motion picture debut in 1995, but she earned nationwide critical in 1999 for her leading performance in Khilona, which was released in 1999. Meera won the second consecutive Nigar Award for Best Actress of the Year for her breakout performance. In 2004, she played a prominent role in Salafi, which lifted her image internationally. In 2005, she acted in joint Indo-Pakistani film Nazar, in which she debuted her career in Bollywood. Meera has come here for a very special mission, and I'm sure we all would like to support her for that mission. And मैं चाहूँगी कि आप उनके मुँह से ज़्यादा सुने. She is right now working on a project where she wants to help the people of Pakistan by building a hospital. So let's hear more about that hospital and her passion to present that. So चले हम मीरा से सुनते हैं.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. आदाब. आज मुझे मुसरत हो रही है और मुझे आप सब पर फ़ख्र है कि मैं ऐसे पाकिस्तानियों के दरमियान में हूँ जो मेरे वतने अजीज़ से हैं. मुख्तलिफ शहरों, कस्बों और देहातों से आए हुए पाकिस्तानी अमेरिका में आकर सेटल हुए और पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन किया. आज मुझे खुशी है कि मैं अचीवर्स के दरमियान में हूँ, जिन्होंने ज़िंदगी का मकसद हासिल किया, अपने गोल्स को अचीव किया और ज़िंदगी और पाकिस्तान के नाम को 4 चांद लगाए. आप सब ने अच्छे बुरे हालात में पाकिस्तान को संभाला, पाकिस्तान को सहारा दिया. इमरान खान साहब ने जब हॉस्पिटल का आगाज़ किया, सबसे पहले जो अमेरिका में पाकिस्तानी थे, उन्होंने सबसे ज़्यादा भरपूर तरीके से इमरान खान का साथ दिया. और फिर इब्रार ने हॉस्पिटल का आगाज़ किया नारोवल वहाँ से, तो सबसे ज़्यादा आप लोगों ने उन मंसूबों और उन प्रोजेक्ट्स को कामयाब बनाने में इमदाद की, मदद की। मुझे आप पर फ़ख्र है, पाकिस्तान को आप पर फ़ख्र है। तो यहाँ पर बहुत ही अजीम, बहुत ही कामयाब लोग इस महफिल में हैं। एक दफ़ा फिर मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैं अचीवर्स के दरमियान में हूँ। मैं भी आप ही की तरह एक छोटे से शहर से मेरा ताल्लुक़ है। मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी का मकसद और गोल दोनों हासिल किए। बेपनाह कामयाबियों ने कदम चूमे, पाकिस्तान के तमाम अवार्ड्स लिए, तरक्की, कामयाबियों और शोहरत की बुलंदियों को छू रही हूँ। इंडिया जाकर पाकिस्तान की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को मुतारिफ करवाया, एक्टिंग से अपने काम का लोहा मनवाया। 10 साल की उम्र से काम कर रही हूँ। हम सब का ताल्लुक किसी न किसी शहर, गांव, कस्बों से है। बहुत दुख होता है अपनों को बुरी हालत में देखकर। पूरे पाकिस्तान को तो नहीं, लेकिन छोटी सी कोशिश से छोटे शहर, गांव को बदला जा सकता है। मैं यहाँ पर सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान वकार खान साहब की बहुत मशकूर हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया और जहाँ से मैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट का आपसे तारुफ करवाना चाहती हूँ। एक दफ़ा बहुत शुक्रिया सर, आपने यहाँ बुलाया। थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्लेटफॉर्म है आपका। मैं अभी इलेक्शंस पाकिस्तान में हुए तो मेरा इत्तेफाक हुआ, मैं हारूनाबाद गई और वहाँ पर हमने वहाँ पर हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट हॉस्पिटल जिसका नाम है शफकत हॉस्पिटल, उसका हमने आगाज़ किया है, जिसकी फंड रेजिंग मैंने स्टार्ट की है कनाडा से। जब मैं इलेक्शंस ख़त्म हुए पाकिस्तान में, मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था कि मैं प्रोटेस्ट करती। क्योंकि मैं यहाँ इनवाइटेड थी तो मैंने फ़ौरन फ़्लाइट ली, मैं कनाडा पहुँची। कनाडा में पंजाबी फ़िल्म फेस्टिवल मैंने अटेंड किया और वहाँ पर मैंने फ़ंड रेजिंग का आगाज़ किया और आज यहाँ पर इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आप सबके सामने मैं आपसे सिर्फ यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि हारूनाबाद के लोग आपकी इमदाद के मुंतज़िर हैं। उनका पैगाम लेकर मैं यहाँ तक आई हूँ और मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि जिस तरह से आपने इमरान खान और इब्रार के हॉस्पिटल को कामयाब बनाया, इसी तरह से आप मीरा के इस प्रोजेक्ट को और बहुत सारे जो लोग डिज़र्विंग लोग हैं जो आपकी इमदाद के मुंतज़िर हैं, आप बिल्कुल इस प्रोजेक्ट को उसी तरह कामयाब बनाएंगे जिस तरह आपने इमरान और इब्रार को कामयाब बनाया।
नाज़रीन, तो आप देख रहे थे सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान की नवी अवार्ड नाइट। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको पसंद आई होगी। और हाँ, जैसा आप जानते हैं कि सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान की अवार्ड नाइट में एंटरटेनमेंट में जनाब हमारे जाने पहचाने अदील बरकी साहब, अरशद महमूद, अली हाशमी, दिलशाद साहब वर्जीनिया से आए और ऑफ कोर्स जो सबसे खूबसूरत रंग डाला वो था जनाब बूटा साहब का। ऑफ कोर्स भुट्टा साहब ने इस प्रोग्राम में खूबसूरत रंग डाला और कामयाबी से हमकिनार किया। और जाने से पहले मैं सैयद लतीफ़ का शुक्रिया अदा करना नहीं भूलूँगा कि उन्होंने इतने लजीज़ तरीन, इतने बेहतरीन खाने पेश किए कि जिसकी मिसाल नहीं मिलती। नाज़रीन, एक बार फिर मैं तमाम न्यूयॉर्क के लोगों को, ट्राई स्टेट के लोगों को, लॉन्ग आइलैंड, न्यू जर्सी, जहाँ जहाँ से लोग आए उनका शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा, खुसूसन उन अवार्डीज़ का जो बड़े दूर दराज से आए और उन्होंने हमारे अवार्ड हासिल किए। इंशाअल्लाह ताला 10वीं अवार्ड नाइट बड़ी धूमधाम से होगी, जिसका ऐलान बहुत जल्द करेंगे। और हाँ, जैसा आप जानते हैं कि हम बहुत जल्द दुबई में एक बहुत बड़ा कन्वेंशन कर रहे हैं सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान के बैनर से, अमेरिकन पाकिस्तानी CEO फोरम के बैनर से, तो उसका ऐलान बहुत जल्द होगा और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये एक तारीखी और हिस्टोरिक प्रोग्राम होगा दुबई के अंदर। नाज़रीन, इसके साथ ही आपका मेज़बान वक़ार अली ख़ान आपसे इजाज़त चाहेगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद।